The first question is, Singer, who closed their Scottish factory in 1980, made which items? The correct answer is C, sewing machines. Question 2. In which country did Pervez Musharraf come to power in 1999 after a military coup? The correct answer is D, Pakistan. Question 3. Which invention, which makes use of phosphorus, was invented in 1827? The correct answer is B, matches. Question 4. What letter is usually used to represent the unknown in maths? The correct answer is A, X. Question 5. What is singer Barbra Streisand's given name at birth? The correct answer is D, Barbara Joan Streisand. Question 6. Last week, a restaurant used 6 dozen steaks, but this week used 23 fewer. How many did they use this week? The correct answer is B, 49. Question 7. In Rocky IV, Apollo Creed is killed by a boxer from what country? The correct answer is D, Soviet Union. Question 8. Which V is letter that is used to stand in for an unknown number? The correct answer is B, variable. Question 9. Which of these activities does Harriet do throughout the book Harriet the Spy? The correct answer is B, write in her notebook. And the last question is, in Rango, who does Rango suspect is behind the town's water shortage? The correct answer is A. I hope you enjoyed this quiz, and make sure to share your score in the comments.
Please subscribe and press the bell to get notified about our newest quizzes.